What are you doing? What's that in your hand?
This.
What is it?
Huh? Lipstick.
Lipstick? What do you do with it?
That.
Do you like wearing makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Makeup. It's my turn.
Does it make you feel pretty?
Yeah. Me better. Oh my god, look at pretty.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Show Mommy your makeup. It's pretty cute.
Yes.
Good job. Do you think boys should wear makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah?